Hey kids, let's learn 40 body parts names. At the end of the video there will be a quiz related to our learning, so let's get started. Head, 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 hair, 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 forehead, 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 eyes, 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 eyebrows, 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 eyelashes, 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 nose, 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 ears, 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 cheeks, 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 mouth, 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 lips, 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 teeth, 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 tongue, 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 chin, 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 neck, 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 shoulders, 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 arms, 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 elbows, 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 wrists, 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 hands, 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 fingers, 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 thumb, 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 nails, 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 chest, 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 back, 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 waist, 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 legs, 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 thighs, 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 knees, 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 calves, 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 ankles, 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 feet, 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 toes, 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 heels, heels, heels. Let me have a short quiz. I will ask you few questions and you have to answer them. Which body part is this? Correct, this is ankle. Can you guess this body part? Awesome, this a thumb. Guess this one? Yes, toes. I hope you have learned all the body parts. Like the video and hit the bell icon for more such learning videos.